Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how to install Oracle 19c on your desktop local machine. So now this is the link to download the Oracle database. Here many editions are available. You can download according to your requirement. Fine, as you can see over here. Now what I have done is I have already downloaded this Oracle database 19.3. Fine, this one 19.3, and here it is. So after downloading it, what you need to do is extract it over here. One more thing I would like to tell you, when you click on this downloading, it asks for this accepting the agreement, and then you just have to log in. Fine, so after login you can download this file. It is free. You just have to create the account for this Oracle. Okay, so now this file is extracted, and what we need to do is we need to run this setup. Click on yes. And see, okay, so here the installer dialog box is there. As you can see, here we are having two options: create and configure a single instance database or setup software only. We are going to do this one, setup software only. If you want to create only single instance, then you can go with this, and this is used for the client server model, right? So in future it might be required. Now pressing next, here I am going to create single database installation because right now I am not connected with any LAN, right? Then press next, and here it is asking that if you want to use full featured data edition, or you want to use enterprise edition, right? So I am going to use this enterprise edition, right? And now I am going to create a new user. You can give any username and password, whatever you want. Press next, and here you can select where you want to install the particular database, right? Here I am installing in my drive. You can choose your drive from here, browse option. Yes, so all the requirements are satisfied. Now I am going to press. See, if you want to uh, save this file, then you can click over here. You can save this response file wherever you want. Now I am storing it on the desktop, right? And save. Then press install. So it can be useful in case of any error. Now it is being installed. Fine. Okay, so now it is successfully installed. Fine. Let's see how to create the database. For that, go to Start, Old Program, Oracle, then Configuration and Migration Tool, and then Database Configuration Assistant. Okay, so now here create the database. Click on Next. Here a global database name is Oracle. Fine, and here I am giving administrator password, and then give the home Oracle user password which you have set. No need to give this container database right now. Click on Next. Yes, we don't want to set the recommend, it is fine right now. So see, this is the configuration of the global setting, right? So what is the file type control and all those things. Here necessary is this SID is Oracle that we are going to use in SQL developer for making connection. You can save this response on the desktop or anywhere you want. Yes, I have already done it, so I'm refreshing it and finish. So here it is going to create the database. Okay, so now the database is created. Database global database name is ORCF. SID is also ORCF. Fine. Now, here in this password management, as you can read the note, all the database accounts except C's and system are logged, right? If you want to set password for them, then also you can set the password and use it. Okay, here I am not doing anything right now. Fine. Now close this.